I'm here at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. The plane behind me carried the first shipment of COVID-19 vaccine developed by Chinese pharmaceutical company Sino to here in Malaysia. This is the first batch of Chinese COVID-19 vaccine received by the country. The arrival of the COVID-19 vaccine was greeted by a number of senior Malaysian officials, including the Defense Minister, the Foreign Minister, the Science and Technology Minister in charge of the procurement of the vaccine, as well as Transport Minister.
I think the cooperation between the government of the People's Republic of China and Malaysia was extremely important in ensuring that we could also include the Chinese vaccines in our portfolio.
As Malaysian government has put it, the acquirement of the vaccine itself is a testimony of the good relationship between Malaysia and China. The arrival of these COVID-19 vaccines developed by Sino is expected to greatly boost Malaysia's own effort against COVID-19. According to Malaysian government's national immunization program, more than 20% of Malaysia's population are expected to receive Sino vaccine once it receives regulatory approval from Malaysian authorities.